General liability is needed for insurance, 1 million per occurrence, 2 million aggregate, 2 million products and completed operations, 100,000 damage to rented premises, 5K medical payments. There's normally excess umbrella that goes over that. Additional insured is needed. Professional liability is needed. Employment practices liability is needed. Usually 1 million in limits. Directors and officers could be factored into that. Sometimes people don't see it as part of the budget, but EPLI is very important. There's professional liability, as I said earlier. There could be a builder's risk for a certain project, installation, floater, inland marine, equipment policy. Could be garage keepers, depending on what kind of work you're doing. It could be general liability. For owner's interest, 1 million per occurrence, 2 million aggregate, and then a 1 million umbrella above that. There could be a higher amount of limits, like maybe 3 million in limits. The owner's interest is needed in case the contractor's insurance is not sufficient. Normally, in an owner's interest policy, there are requirements that they need to comply with. So that is something that is needed. There is general liability. General liability is bodily injury, third-party property damage or bodily injury. Excess liability is usually a foul form. The excess carrier is often different than the underlying carrier. Directors and officers is needed as well. Crime could be built into a crime could be built into an employment practices liability and D&O policy.